Why you need an approval letter rather than just a pre-qualification. It could end up costing you thousands of dollars if you truly aren't qualified before you start the home buying process. Hi, I'm John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty, and I want to make sure that you have all your ducks in a row so you don't make a huge mistake in purchasing a home and possibly losing out on thousands of dollars. A pre-qualification is not a true approval. It's the initial step in the home loan process where you just discuss your financial situation with a loan officer, but there is nothing actually verified. The approval is where the buyer actually provides the lender with all the necessary documentation needed so they are approved for the best loan product that fits their needs and gives them a better idea of the mortgage interest rate they'll qualify for. You want to actually go through the entire process, every single step. The lender will do things like verify your employment, see your taxes, and also look at your bank statements. And they'll verify everything up front, so they'll let you know how much you qualify for and what your payments are going to be. It's essential that you do this, otherwise you could stand losing your initial deposit and any other money that you spend on things like inspections and appraisals. Don't fall into that trap. We are highly trained in all these areas and we'd love to help you in the purchase of your home. We can let you walk through and make sure that it's the safest, most strategic way to becoming a homeowner. And always remember, we work for you. We work for you for free. We represent you and the seller pays all of our fees. We're here to protect your best interest in purchasing a home. And again, I'm John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm always here to help.